The tech industry is booming. There are more opportunities than ever before. But how do you break into this exciting world? How do you gain the skills and knowledge to succeed? The answer is simple, structured learning. A coding bootcamp, like the one offered by Uig Life, provides the perfect launchpad for your tech career. These intensive programs are designed to take you from beginner to job ready in a matter of months. They focus on the most in-demand skills like web development and Linux system administration. With expert guidance and a comprehensive curriculum, you'll be well on your way to a rewarding career in tech. The tech industry is constantly evolving. This means you need to be adaptable and a lifelong learner. A coding bootcamp instills this mindset in you. It teaches you how to learn new technologies quickly and effectively. This is just the beginning of your tech transformation. Are you ready to unlock your full potential? The internet has revolutionized the world. It has connected billions of people and businesses. At the heart of this digital revolution lies web development. To master web development, understand HTML5, CSS3, and JavaScript. HTML5 provides the structure and content of a web page. CSS3 dictates the style and layout. JavaScript brings your website to life with interactivity. These three languages create the immersive web experiences we enjoy every day. While the front end of the web is built on HTML, CSS, and JavaScript, the back end, where the real magic happens, relies heavily on operating systems like Linux. Linux is the backbone of countless servers, cloud platforms, and even devices. Its open-source nature and robust security features have made it the go-to choice for businesses of all sizes. Understanding Linux is crucial for anyone interested in system administration, cybersecurity, or cloud computing. System administrators ensure the smooth operation of computer systems, and Linux is often their playground. Cybersecurity professionals rely on Linux's security features to protect sensitive data from malicious attacks. Cloud computing, with its massive data centers, relies heavily on Linux for its stability and scalability. Learning Linux opens doors to a world of opportunities in these in-demand fields. It provides you with the skills to manage servers, secure networks, and even build your own cloud infrastructure. It's a powerful toolset that will serve you well throughout your tech career. Section 4. Hands-on experience. The path to mastery. In the world of tech, theoretical knowledge will only get you so far. True mastery comes from hands-on experience. That's why Uig Life's Coding Bootcamp emphasizes practical projects as a core part of its curriculum. You won't be stuck in endless lectures or staring at slides. You'll be building real-world projects from day one. Want to learn web development? You'll create your own websites and web applications. Interested in Linux system administration? You'll get your hands dirty setting up and managing servers. This hands-on approach not only solidifies your understanding of the concepts, but also equips you with the practical skills employers are looking for. By the end of the boot camp, you'll have a portfolio of projects to showcase your abilities to potential employers. This is what sets boot camp graduates apart from the competition. They have the practical experience and confidence to hit the ground running. Section 5. Success Stories from Bootcamp to Tech Leaders. Uig Life's Coding Bootcamp has a proven track record of success. Sarah, for example, was stuck in a dead-end job. She enrolled in Uig Life's web development program. Within weeks, she was coding with confidence. Sarah landed a web developer position at a leading tech company. Uig Life's alumni have achieved remarkable success. Section 6. Your coding journey starts now. The tech industry is brimming with possibilities. Whether you're fascinated by the intricacies of web development or drawn to the power of Linux system administration, there's a place for you in this exciting world. But the first step is crucial: taking action. Don't let your lack of experience hold you back. Uig Life's Coding Bootcamp provides the structured learning, hands-on experience, and expert guidance you need to succeed. Their comprehensive curriculum, designed by industry professionals, covers everything from the fundamentals of coding to advanced concepts. The demand for skilled tech professionals is only going to increase in the coming years. By enrolling in Uig Life's Coding Bootcamp, you're not just investing in a course, you're investing in your future. Take that first step today and embark on your journey to a rewarding and fulfilling tech career.